children, today we are going to learn to draw a hut. The first step to draw a hut, you have to draw in center two slanting lines like this, one and second. Then you have to close it, and your triangle is ready. Then you have to draw 1, 1, 11, two straight lines. Okay, and then you have to close it. Okay, and then you have to draw a door, and you can draw a small window, and your hut is ready. So it is very easy now to draw a hut, and then you can color this hut of your choice to make it more beautiful.